In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a Discord server link in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want to invite friends, teammates, classmates, or community members to your Discord server quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to copy the invite link and share it anywhere you want. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Discord and sign in to your account. You can do this on the desktop app, browser version, or mobile app, but in this tutorial, I'll be showing the basic steps that work the same way on Discord. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the server that you want to share. If you manage multiple servers, take a moment to choose the correct one so you don't accidentally send the wrong invite link. Now, look at the top left of the screen and click the server name. This opens the server menu and gives you a few different options related to that server. From this menu, click Invite to Server. This is the option that creates or shows the invite link for your Discord server. After you click Invite to Server, Discord will open an invite window. At the bottom of that window, you'll see the invite link. Next to it, click Copy. This copies the server invite link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere without typing it manually. If the link is copied successfully, you're ready for the final step. Now, go to wherever you want to share the link. You can paste it into a direct message, a group chat, an email, a text message, or even a social media post. Just click in the message box and paste the link, then send it. Anyone who receives that link can use it to join your Discord server, as long as your invite settings allow it. And that's it. You've now learned how to send a Discord server link. It only takes a few clicks, but it's one of the fastest ways to grow your community or bring people into your private group. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.